You come with government permits, and then you take it to one man who okays your permits, and then he goes to find a boss. Well, the boss is in a field threshing somewhere, so he's not around. But in the meantime, our second local guide and the second in charge boss have gone to go see whether or not they can find.
We got it.
Oh, they've got a musical performance. We are not only the first American people who have ever come through this area, but possibly the first Ferengis, or white people, that they've ever seen. And I think I've scared this poor little baby to death. They need either 12, 18, or 24. This little boy has a rusty piece of metal. That's his toy. And his other big treasure is an empty pack of cigarettes. This is a Brahmo. Shall we gather by the river? Except there's no river. Shall we gather by the river? Wow. How did the Berta people start using these? Why?
Just they're using this an instrument in occasion time, in holidays.
I feel like we're at the lyric opera. They're sounding their A and turning up. Thank you very much. It's part of the traditions. This is known with it. And Steve has had nothing to drink. And it's underway. Let's go. Masks are part of the animistic Guyana culture and Malinka traditions. People fear and respect masks. They consider them spirits who play an important role in solving conflicts. Understand we're the only two Westerners standing here watching all the different dances. Putting on their traditional dance clothes. Their cloth is made from the bark of a tree. Love drums. cobras to come out of a jar. They imitate nature, and right now they're supposed to be imitating peacocks.
The eye is made of this one, sealskin. But bones from animals have been used, and this is wooden, but earlier there are also ribbons from sea animals, and this is rib from animal.